In this video, I'll guide you through how to link your Ionos email to the Mail app so you can manage everything from one convenient place. We'll go step by step, and by the end, your Ionos account will be set up and ready to use. First, make sure you're signed in to the email account where you want to add your Ionos address. In this example, we'll assume you're working inside a typical webmail interface that has an accounts and import section, which is where you control how you send mail and which addresses you use. Start by going to your settings area. Usually you'll find this by clicking on a gear icon or a settings link near the top right of your email page. Once you're in the settings, look for a tab or section called Accounts and Import or something very similar. This is where your sender's addresses and external accounts are managed. Inside that Accounts and Import section, find the part labeled Send Mail As. This is the feature that lets you send email from another address, like your Ionos email, while staying inside your current mail app. You should see an option that says Add another email address. Go ahead and click that. A small window or dialog will appear asking for information about the email address you want to add. Type in your full Ionos email address exactly as it was given to you, including everything after the @sign. Often you can also enter a display name here, which is how your name will appear in the recipient's inbox. Choose a name that you're comfortable using for professional or personal communication, depending on how you use this account. After you confirm that, you'll be asked to enter the outgoing mail server settings so your mail app knows how to send messages on behalf of your Ionos account. For the SMTP server, type smtp.ionos.com. This is the server your mail app will connect to whenever you send a message from that address. Next, you'll need to enter the port number. Set the port to 465. This port is commonly used for secure encrypted connections. Make sure any option that mentions using a secure connection, SSL or similar, is turned on or checked. This keeps your login details and messages protected while they travel between your mail app and the Ionos server. Now you'll be prompted for your login details. Enter your full Ionos email address again as the username, and then your Ionos email password. Take your time here and type it carefully, because a small typo is one of the most common reasons connections fail. If your app offers to remember or save the password, you can choose that if you're on a trusted device. Once everything is filled in, confirm or add the account. Your mail app will usually test the connection right away. If the settings are correct, it will accept them and bring you back to your settings page. Sometimes you may receive a confirmation email at your Ionos address with a verification link or code. If that happens, open that message and follow the instructions to finalize the setup. After the verification is complete, your Ionos email should appear as one of your Send From options in the Mail app. When you compose a new message, you'll be able to choose your Ionos address in the From field and send emails that look like they were sent directly from your Ionos inbox. That's all there is to it. You've successfully linked your Ionos email to the Mail app using the accounts and import settings, the correct SMTP server, and the secure port.